you want me when you got a girl? Feeling this blacklist of knowing it's selfish, knowing I'm desperate, getting on it and I'm falling on your love. I do it till it's last. Let me show y'all this view this morning. So as you can see, we're on a higher floor. We're on the top floor now, and then the penthouse is above, so this is way better. Views, baby. Child, they was lit over there last night, baby. They was lit. Good morning, y'all. Fresh Facebook. So Bayard went and checked out the pool here, so we're gonna go to the pool. You know, shoot some content, get something to eat, vibe out today. You know, the vibes. Yeah. I am loving this light. What's the train? See, this is why I always wanted a high rise, but I love having a house. So I like those benefits of both. I might gotta get one just in case, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna have my code down below for y'all to sign up and save when y'all travel, because y'all know y'all like to travel too. You're gonna travel anyway, you're gonna book a travel. Might as well book it and save some money. $50 off for y'all. Link will be down below with Safara. I love them, y'all. That's why I booked through as well. And I got $250 off this room, so you might as well save as well, okay? Thank me later. All of my outfits, y'all know I'm from Shein. It's a little cute little bathing suit cover, y'all. It's like a little pink one. And then I got like the top to go with it. So cute, y'all. And I'm gonna save this. This is not a bathing suit, this is a dress I'm gonna probably wear later. And I got this, and I got my torch slides to go with it, with my little green bags. I thought that was so cute. But as you can see, like the whole sides and stuff are out in it, so I love this. I just thought of Miami when I saw this. But I'm trying to decide which bathing suit. And this is a dress I was gonna wear later, so one scrap might go like this to the side. But you see it like has this whole area here as well, so it's so cute, very Miami. We got this long dress I brought as well. I just brought some options, you know. But I'm debating if I'm gonna wear my I got a lime green bikini, and I got this dark green bikini. I think I may do this. This is cute. My lime green bikini. I got it all turned wrong. Lime green bikini and a little top like that. Or I can just do this. And then I just got the little thing that go round. So that's very cute also, so love it. So, it's a little two-piece with the panties there. I like that too. I'll probably say this like a mom bikini there. We sexy today, so I think I'm gonna do my lime greens, you know. Go take me some pictures with my little shoes. It's like a different color, lime green, but we're gonna make it work. So if not, I got some sandals. So yeah, let's do this today. I should have brought a pink one to go up under my thing, but I can always wear this with it. So yeah, let's do that. So I'm gonna show y'all how I vacation with my hair, and I always get like some curly or wavy hair most of the time, y'all. So but I just brush it out from the bottom, starting from the bottom into the top. This is my wet and wavy texture. So at night I just sleep with it in a ball. So, and I got this ponytail sewed in because I told her I'm going to be reusing my bundles, because we don't waste no bundles over here, and we can always reuse this hair. Okay, so you want to brush it out, and then we just go back in with some water and just wet it up. It should be good, and then you can just brush it out. So once it's wet through, then you want to just scrunch it like this. Yeah. And it'll just wave back up. So then you just let it dry. So by the time we go out to the pool, it's gonna be dry. Okay? Yeah. But my link will be down below, upscaledivas.bigcartel.com, because we are switching our website right now. So this is my wet and wavy texture. We have bundles starting at 3 for $150. So check them out. It's nice. Oh, you can't see it. Y'all, it's raining now, so he came at a good time. But he worried about his hair, y'all. He want to get in the pool.
Here are the 20-line odds for the Traveler Stakes at Saratoga. 40-line favorite over all 3 Triple Crown race winners. The Derby favorite before being scratched the morning.
Yeah, this is the 5th YSL Shades Shein dress. It was just too much showing in the other dress, y'all. It's like a nighttime dress. I'm thinking about switching this bag so I can fit my camera here because it can't fit in my Louis V bag. But this dress has a split yellow shoe from Rainbow. Yeah. I'm going to take a dupe earrings and necklace from Amazon. Link will be down below. But yeah, let's go. So yeah, we're at Oasis now. They just opened. They got happy hour, so just getting a drink. We're trying to see what we finna do.
Come on.
My camera. Hey, the best place to look for like things to do is TikTok. So. You a content creator? Mm-hmm. That's good. Cheers.
Cheers, all real good.
Ooh, it's strong. Okay.
That Green Hill say that either.
Cheesecake and liquor.
Okay, I guess Green Hill say that either.
It's gonna be boiling. Oh, it's frozen too.
Okay, I guess Green Hill say that either. She said it's gonna be strong.
Oh, I heard her say that. Baby, I killed that drink and we killed that cheesecake, baby. Yeah, I wish my husband a happy birthday. It was August 31st. Virgo. But yeah, I'm about to get ready to go. We don't know whether, because everything's so far from here. Might just continue to walk. We just came in here because it was hot. Yeah. We gonna see fried chicken with y'all later. So he jamming over there, baby. He jamming. Now we're just down here walking, knowing I just got lit, y'all. So I don't need to be walking nowhere. But yeah, it's cute.
Where you going?
Let's go down here. Free? What is that? That's cute. You can get one. This is a little cute little place here. That's cute. You gotta get some free stuff. What you got? Oh. Got it. Oh, what's that water? Oh, that's gonna be something new.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they just taking
trying to
pictures of.
promote
Oh, that's good. That's a good business. They give people they free sparkling water and then have people take pictures with it. So it's good promotions. It say bodega right here. What's this? Oh, this Warby Parker too. I be seeing them all the time. They be having ads that they be needing content creators too. So y'all check out them too as well. Yeah. Oh, this coffee shop. Panther Coffee. I might gotta try them tomorrow. Go to the bodega. He wants some Mexican, y'all. He wants some chicken taco. I'm gonna go to Sweet Green. Oh, this is where we went last night, y'all. But they got happy hour, so we're finna go back again. So let's go back. It is hot out the door. It's too hot.
I'm sitting outside.
Don't put no makeup on, baby. I'm telling you.
What?
Don't put no makeup on.
Yeah, but why we in Atlanta you just want to sit outside? It'd be the same thing.
It don't be this time.
Yeah, it do.
It's in Las Vegas heat. I can't do it.
Same thing.
It's so cute in here. And they got a little outside area out here. And it's like a little shopping area also. Yeah, I'll show y'all the food and drink when it comes. Yeah, they playing music, but I am so lit off that drink, y'all. Hopefully maybe they put a roll on, because my eyes, okay. Y'all know I'm a lazy. I killed that sushi though. So y'all, we Uber eat some food from the Licking, because I don't feel like going nowhere, baby. So yes. Okay, got some chicken and waffles. So let's see what they looking like. I know they just got here. Sure am. These are the chickens and waffles. Yeah. That's yours right there, baby. That's mine. Your syrup. Some syrup. Oh, this black stuff on here now. What is all of that? The waffles got black stuff on them. Crumbs or what? Jesus. Baby, ain't nothing like that ATL food. I'm telling you, ain't nothing. Lemon pepper wings, the best. Everything the best in ATL. Miami, get on it. Come on now. Good morning, y'all. So today is Saturday, our last full day here because we got our early flights. Literally like 5 o'clock. Well, it's at 8 o'clock. We got to be at the airport by 5. But yeah. Anyway, this is what we are wearing to the pool today. I just have a green sheet and bikini halter top on. And yeah. I had to put this mess back down again. So yeah, just enjoying this view. This is gonna be the last time we see this view. Cause in the morning, I don't think the sun gonna be in the rose. But yeah, definitely gonna miss this view. But we about to head to the pool, and we have a boat ride scheduled for today that we are doing. So I'll bring y'all along when we go do that. So yeah, checking with you later. I took the words and look at it. You just made me feel so good. It's dirty ass shit.
Here we go. Michigan. Georgia. So I think I just switched what happened. That's what I'm gonna name. Let's see what it says. I got these guys. I'm going to take it down. Georgia. Oh, wow.
So y'all just got me some Uber Eats from this place called Lemon Pepper. This is. Looks good. I wanted the red velvet cake. I took this one off, y'all, but this is the other one, y'all. So I guess they gave us this. They must have had a red velvet in. So this is the strawberry shortcake cheesecake. So about to head up. And he brought us one blue cheese. Okay. But yeah, let me finish my face, y'all. Girl, face. This is the Estee Lauder foundation, y'all. I love this and NARS, my favorite. But yeah, we are on the way to the boat ride. So, we'll see how this is. Bayside. So we gotta find out where we go for the thing. You don't wanna do that? And yeah, that's what Bacon Bitch is at up there. I was wanting to go yesterday. And then we got Sugar Factory down there. And you see the view up there. It is hot out here, baby. Yeah. But they got a little shopping area down, so we finna go back down here. We gotta be back here at 2:45. So we're at a mojito bar right here by the water. Mojito bar. Tennessee mojito.
Cut that bitch off from the shin.
So yeah, we sitting out here waiting on the Uber. So yeah, where we at? What is it, North Miami?
Yeah.
Yeah, we at the Newport Beach Hotel and Resort. So yeah, better go get something to eat. I think this him right here. Yeah, that's him. Yeah.
Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for a nigga so cheap. And your flex OD, and sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey, you got it, girl, you got it. Yeah, yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Waiting, hitting you the DM looking parlay. Talking while you come around and not installing. Do the Cooper, send me on the best. Tryna hit the cool.
Hey y'all, so we are back in Diamond and they got a free car wash at the parking fly. So we finna get that baby for her because they left my baby out in the sun. Because I didn't know they didn't have no shed for my baby because the other one we normally park at with the plus one, that one has a shed and I didn't know they didn't have it over here. So she had to sit in the sun all weekend. So we getting her a car wash and I'm going to get me a Starbucks because I have a itch in my throat, baby. My nose running. I feel like I'm finna get sick. So we're going to get us a medicine ball. And of course, what we gotta do when we get back in the A? JR Crickets, baby. So that's what we finna go to. Get us some JR Crickets, okay? You want some JR Crickets?
You got an itch in your throat?
Yes, baby, it's hurting. I was eating ice on the whole. I was eating ice all on the plane, baby, because it was hurting.
Hey, show my face.
Yeah, that's how he look all day, y'all. But anyway, we about to go see my children back in the A. Gotta go get the kiddo. So yeah, see y'all later. Good morning, y'all. Today is Tuesday. The kids are at school. We got us a new package to do some filming, some content on. I gotta do that today, y'all. I'm feeling a lot better. My COVID test was negative, so I'm happy about that. My husband is waiting on me outside, baby. We're finna run to Sam's. I gotta get him my birthday cake, y'all, so hopefully I'm gonna be able to sneak that in some kind of way. But yeah, I wanted to come in and check in with y'all, let y'all know what was going on today. And yeah, we about to run to Sam's real quick, and I'll check in with y'all when I get back. I'm about to cook some rice and shrimp for later. With my Starbucks, I got me a matcha. Had to get me some more. Yeah, I got me a matcha. I done drunk it, y'all, but I had to get me some more. These are like my favorite liners, y'all. The Flex Foam, Infinity Flex Foam. I love these things, y'all, but I got them from Sam's Club because they give you the, you're gonna get your money worth there. But yeah, just started today, baby, so I'm sick, and as well as my cycle just started, so baby, what's going on? Okay, but yeah, anyway, I will check in with y'all later. I'm about to film some content. So y'all, this is my little bowl. It has avocado, brown rice, shrimp, tomatoes, and spicy mayo. So good, y'all. And I put a little bit of the sprinkling ranch on it, and so good. And had to get my vitamin C in, y'all, because your girl is sick, so we getting it. Y'all, we just got home, baby, but these Sonic Buffalo, what is it, Buffalo chicken bites, so good, y'all. Go try them, y'all, with the ranch. Bussin', I'm telling you, go try them. So y'all, we're gonna be installing a wig, boo. You can see curly units. Transform. Your girl been sick, as you can see. I got this little ring around my nose. Been blowing my nose, my voice, everything. But I feel better than I did Monday, baby. I felt like death. But yeah, I took my Z-Pack, my Tylenol sinus, because they gave me some steroids, but no ma'am. It said on this, my patient must be watched by a physician. I said, oh no, I'm not taking this. No ma'am. So we just had to work it out, baby. So I've been trying to get up, work out a little bit as I can, because I normally work out every day. Just trying to knock it out, sweat it out, but no, baby. So let's go ahead, and I'm gonna show y'all this wig when I put it on. So y'all, this is the finished look of the hair. I'm about to beat this face, then I'm gonna come back and show y'all the final result. But I am loving these curls. I just put water on it, y'all. No mousse, nothing. This is great water. So cute. And I'm just gonna let them dry because it's still wet. This is the lace, baby. What lace? What lace? Hair will be linked right here and down below. Click the link, shop, and get you some. Check you later. So y'all, we just got another sponsored package deal from a brand. I think these are my clothes I have to do for a brand, clothing brand. So yeah, so excited about that. I want to try to film it today. If not, it'll be Saturday. So yeah, check in with y'all, and I'm about to beat this face. Alexa, pause. So y'all, the makeup is done. This is the look. Just some better lighting, honey. Baby, not doing it justice. Yeah, this the look. Love it. And I like the soft baby hairs. I brushed them out and stuff. I don't like them hard baby hairs. But yeah, such a vibe.